What's up, guys? News Now Ohio. All right, so what we got going on is this is just an update for my FOIA requests. I just got a call from Kevin down at the records department. He informed me that they didn't have any dash cam or audio for the stop over there with them two black guys that denied giving them permission to search them. So, there you go. The officer lied, said that they had dash cam and audio of the stop, and that was his proof. So, obviously he lied, and that's some bullshit. So, we're going to definitely, if I see him again, I'm going to definitely put that in his face. You guys know me. I ain't going to let that shit stand. So, we got that. That's about it. Other than that, my daughter, my son is out of the hospital, guys. Thanks for everybody who said, gave him well wishes. I appreciate that. He is fine. He was just in there because he had a stomach issue going on. He had a surgery when he was a baby. He had pyloric stenosis, and he had a blockage in his bowel. He still has a blockage. They said he may have to have surgery in a later time, but as long as it's not giving him any problems, that they're just not going to do the surgery right now with everything going on with the COVID. So there's that. So that's about it, guys. Everybody, y'all be cool. This is News Now Ohio, signing out.